Jason, we forgot to give Mom a Mother's Day present. Don't worry, we can make one. Stay tuned to find out how. Hey fellow YouTubians, my name is Eugene and welcome to our channel FusionSource. Today we're going to show you how to make a gift for somebody on a 3D printer. So let's go over to Thingiverse and find something nice to print. Right, so we come over to Thingiverse and we type Mom. Right, there we go, there's something nice. We love Mom. What do you think, Jason? Download all files. So we just download all the files of Thingiverse and save it into a folder. Open it up, let's extract it. Okay, here we have our STL files. So we'll take one of these files and we'll drag them over to Cura. Cura is what we're going to use to slice the image. Right, that looks really good. It looks perfectly placed on the build plate. That is important to have it perfectly flat on the build plate. If it is not flat, you'd have to adjust it and get your correct orientation. I've got some really great Cura settings for PLA, which I'll include in the description below. And let's prepare. Now, this is one thing you've got to be prepared about with 3D printing, is if you look at this file, it's taking 1 hour and 45 minutes to print, which is actually not a bad print. So once we've done the slicing, we can then print. I have found an add-on on Cura that is absolutely brilliant. It allows me to print directly from Cura. So I'm going to print using Octoprint. So I'll press print and away it goes. So we'll wait for it to print, and as soon as it's done, we'll come back and show you how it looks.
Later.
Yeah, so this is printed in eSil Purple PLA. Really came out beautifully. Just a quick disclaimer, we really did buy Mom something, but I'm sure she'll love this as well. So friends, this printer here, we can print out practical items for the workshop, but also we can print out beautiful gifts for Mom and for the kids, toys. Really versatile, these printers. Well, that's it for today. Check back soon for more videos. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, really show us and click the thumbs down button twice. If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing to our channel. Post comments, let me know what you want to see. Consider supporting the channel on Patreon. God bless, love you guys, and see you soon. Cheers.